These how to 1 minute will show you how to add Google Pixel to Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on online store. Click on preferences. Here scroll down and you will get this Google Analytics section. So all you have to need, go to your Google Analytics and create your property here. Now click on get tagging instructions. And here select install manually and you have to copy this code. Once you copied your Google Tag Manager code, click on online store and click on this three dot and select edit code. Under layout, select theme.liquid file. Under the head tag, you have to paste your copied Google tag and then click on save. That's how you can add Google Pixel to Shopify. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.